I had bad dental experiences as a child. My parents never really took us to the dentist unless we had a toothache. By that time, the tooth was too far gone and they'd pull it out. And those were terrible experiences. The pain that was there before you could get into the dentist, and then the pulling of the tooth, it was just very traumatic. So as a young adult, when I decided, hey, I'm in control now, I started with this practice. I was probably late teens when I started with this practice. And then Dr. McMahon came on board, and I actually was having a dental problem. And I called the practice, and they said, will you mind meeting a new dentist? And I said no, because I had seen Dr. Gutman for quite some time then. That I had pain, and he actually opened the office up for me that night. He brought in his medical assistant, or dental assistant, I should say. He brought her in, and then he was here, and he started working on my tooth for me so that I could go home and be pain-free until we could go on to the next step. Well, at that point, I was like, okay, he's my dentist. So, and he and I just developed a friendship from there on, and he's always taken care of me. He's very, very talented. I've never walked out of here with, I've never actually walked in with anxiety. I always knew that he and his staff were so good and so well trained that I would not have pain. I can't say I was not a little nervous, but I always got through it with their help and just their conversation. He's just a very skilled doctor, and it's amazing what he can do in such a small space. I tease him all the time. You have big hands. How do you do all this? But no, they are very professional and they're very talented. Every single staff member that he has here, they are very skilled. He makes sure they have the proper training. When they walk in, you don't have to ever question, do they really know what they're doing? If they're going to start something for him or finish something for him, it's just a good experience.